Yeah, so this trip I'm heading for Dalwhinnie, started at Fort William, through Glen Nevis, past Steel Falls, past a couple of bothies. I'll be in Dalwhinnie by Tuesday. It's Sunday today, so it's 3 days out here. First time here, just to see what it's like, and yeah, just to get out of the house basically, something to do, you know. So I'm just passing through the Nevis forest here, and that is the Glen Nevis, the mountain path over there, goes up there, turns the corner, then goes up to the next part along that way, and eventually reaches the summit of Glen Nevis. Ah, this'll do. Perfect. So we fire pit and everything. Ah. Nice spot by the river. Aye, so I found a wee spot here down in Glen Nevis, down by the lower falls. I've been walking all the way from Fort William tonight. I arrived at just after 4 o'clock. And it's now 7:30, so walking just about 3 hours. I went to the Morrisons first, get some supplies for the weekend, so that's me here now. Found a good pitch here by the River Nevis. This is, I'll just give you a wee look around. So yep, good little spot. Not completely flat, but still, I'll do the job tonight. So I'll get pitched up now, and then get my dinner on. Have a couple of beers tonight. No rush in the morning, I've not got too far to go. I'll just go set up now and ready, get some food on the go and get all ready, prepared for a long walk. Starts in the morning. Aye, so I got a couple of burgers on the go. Got them at Morrisons on the way up after I got off the train at Fort William. I'm not happy with these burgers, so I'm not happy with Morrisons and their home handmade burgers. This is the ones, it's the handmade butcher's steak burgers. And I don't know if anybody else has noticed, but they're pretty useless. They just fall apart as soon as you put them in the pan, heat them up a bit, and then when you try to turn them over, they start to fall apart because they've not been clumped together properly by the butchers at Morrisons, and it seems to be like this all the time. Every time you get these burgers from Morrisons, it's the same. So Morrisons, if you're watching, you need to sort yourself out. You need to sort your burgers out and do something about it, because they're useless. What is the point in making a burger that is just going to fall apart? It really isn't rocket science to make a good burger. I mean, I can make my own ones better than this, better than Morrisons ones. So, and I'm not happy with the price either. £1.60 for a couple of burgers that fall apart when you cook them. You know, seriously. No, Morrisons, get your act together, right? See what I mean? Fall into pieces. It's no good, is it? Really? It's just not fun. I mean, I just don't understand how any company could actually be happy having their burgers in that state. With my company, I wouldn't be happy. I wouldn't sell them like that. So, seriously, I don't know how they get away with doing that. That one's not as bad, but well, I've collected some firewood here. Can't find any more, just a small amount. So I'm going to see if I can get a little fire going tonight, just to keep me warm for a while. Something to do, pass the time. It's Saturday night after all. Going good tonight. Well, that was easy. Unfortunately, I got dark pretty quick tonight, so. See if I can keep it going a wee while. Yeah, cheers. Found some old, found some strongbow dark fruit cardboard lying about in the woods here. So I'm just going to burn that. Somebody left it behind, obviously. Not supposed to do that, but that's alright. It gave me something to burn, so it's all good. help keep the fire going maybe. Well, I'm really not having much luck with this fire tonight at all. I've tried putting wax on it, and I've tried 4 cotton balls with Vaseline. It just keeps going out, so I'm not going to manage this fire tonight. I don't know why, it just won't stay alight. Aye, so I guess it's going to have to be back to the tent and just sit in the tent for a while. Oh, it's so boring though, when the winter starts to come in and you're camping and it gets dark early and just nothing to do except sit and drink. That's all you can do in it. What else is there? Unless you've got company. If somebody wants to come out and join me sometime, you're welcome to. You could do with some company, you know. Not much fun out here on my own, to be honest. Well, I've retired to the tent now. Gave up on the fire making, I wasn't getting anywhere in a hurry. Still nice dry night though, a bit windy. It's alright, it's not bad. It's supposed to rain tomorrow unfortunately, but we'll see what happens. So I'm just going to enjoy another beer. I don't know, I might have 2, I might have 4. I haven't decided yet. But I think I've put some music on now, because it's only 10 o'clock. Maybe probably won't go to bed until about midnight or something, so get some tunes on here. Stay up for a wee while. Cheers! Ah. It's not great. Now we're standing face to face. Heaven is the only place. Will you understand? Just tell me. Morrisons. I've just noticed another thing, one of your products. You really need to maybe employ some new staff and get a grip for these things. But right, okay, flavoured water, raspberry and blackberry flavour, lovely, lovely, lovely. But then you turn it round and look, flavour, apple, raspberry and blackberry. There's no mention of apple on the front, so that's very misleading. What if somebody is allergic to apple? So they buy it thinking, oh, raspberry and blackberry, lovely, I could do with some of that. And then they down the whole bottle because they're really thirsty. And then they've just downed apple. Then they've just drunk apple. And if they're allergic to apple, you know, they could sue Morrisons for that. They could sue you. So Morrisons, you really need to sort yourself out. Get a grip. Because you're not doing yourself any favours here at all. So that's another wee Morrisons thing. Morrisons isn't a very good place, to be honest. I only go there last resort. Not happy with it. Their burgers are the worst though. I don't understand their burgers, that's just stupid. It's like they put no effort in. It's like they got some minced beef, they just clumped it together, they didn't bother to squash it and try and press it so it's compressed. They don't care, they just throw it together and that'll do, you know.